She stood in the doorway. There's a mission.